Now we're going to go add a cool power-up effect on our character. If we look in our game assets, we have some flame effects that we can use, which would work well for this, so let's put those in. And we need to make sure we put them behind our characters or else they'll cover them up, so let's find a layer behind everything and put those in. Now, how are we going to program these? Let's add a script to the fire object and we'll think about what we want it to do. So first of all, we don't want it colliding with things, so we're going to say when the level starts, turn off its physics. So that's from physics down the bottom, set physics enabled false. Alright, now we want it to constantly follow the player around. We want it to be positioned behind the player, so we need that constantly block to get it updating its position. And then to set its position, we want to go to transform and we want set X position of myself. And we want to position this according to where the player is. So let's go back to transform and grab X position of myself. We're going to use this, but we're not going to use the myself part because we want it to target the player. So we'll get rid of myself. Now, how can we target the player? Well, we know the player has the tag player on it, so if we go to sensing, under the tagging section, we've got this block here, first instance by tag name. That'll let us target something based on the tag that it has. So we'll type in player there. Okay, let's try setting the position of myself, the flames, to the position of the player. Also, we want to do the Y position as well, so we can duplicate those X blocks and change the duplicates to Y blocks. Alright, so setting the X position to the player and the Y position to the player as well. Let's test it out. We'll call it power up effect and see what it does. Now that fire isn't quite lined up properly, so we're going to push it across and push it up a little bit.